Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about Google Docs on iPhone and the way how you can add the picture into the documents of the Google Docs. So you just need to open the Google Docs application on your mobile phone, and then you just need to open the articles that you have, or you can also create a new one, but here I only want to use my old documents here, and I want to place the picture between the first paragraph with the second. So the thing that you have to do is just tap the screen until you got this pencils button, and then you just need to tap the pencil button, and then you just need to place those cursors into this specific area you want to edit. I want to add the new paragraph here, and then you just need to swipe up, and there will be a plus button there. You just need to go click it, and there will be image, so you just need to tap it, and you can just go click the from photo, means that the photo that you have on your photo library, or from camera means that you need to take a pictures in the real time. So I will to do with the photo from library, and then you just need to find out which photo that you want to have here, and after you just need to go click add, and now this picture is already added into your articles. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.